Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's JK Flash, and today it's something a little bit different. We're talking about micro ATX and ITX PC cases. Bush. So guys, I know my channel is normally about cameras and all sorts of stuff like that, but what it is, if you're into videography, photography, you'll probably have a PC, laptop, whatnot. So I've become a little bit addicted over lockdowns from last year about building PCs. So if you guys think I should make another channel for just PC stuff, tell me in the comments below. Other than that, so I've been through 3 or 4 different cases for my new ITX build. However, because I've got a new graphics card, which is a RX 580 4GB. This is for my daily build, by the way, like a little casual YouTube builds, because I've got my main computer for my actual work, and this is a little casual little build basically. So we have, this is called the MeWay. What it is, the MeWay is on like Banggood, Alibaba. What else is it on? I got one from eBay. So what it is that it's literally just called a MATX ITX case. So as you see, it's quite small, because obviously it's inside this. It actually sits this way around, but obviously it's in there with polystyrene and all that sorts of bits and bobs. However, I don't think it's actually got a name, an actual proper name. So we're going to call it the Goodwood eBay ITX MATX case. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to try and fit my build into this. It should fit. Because what it was, the issue I was having with the other ITX cases is that it's only got 2 expansion slots, like PCI slots, whatever. So basically, I need one with 3. This has got 4. So the current case I'm using is the Amazon case, which is nice. It's okay. It's got a glass panel, all that stuff. Because I went through 2 cases, and then 2 cases, basically I couldn't use the graphics card. So what I did is, I got another case from Amazon, which had 4 slots, which is actually the same height. It's a little bit bigger than this case, a little bit wider and a little bit longer. So I saw this and I thought, you know what, I'm going to get it. I've not seen no reviews, so we're going to do the review today. And hopefully you guys will like it. But I have already opened it just to make sure it's the right thing. Because you know what people are like these days? You end up getting like the complete wrong thing. So you get home and you're just like, what is that? So if I quickly just unbox this for you. As you can see, it is actually really small. So I'll quickly show you guys now. So what it was is here, where you can see it's got 4 slots. The other ITX case, so they have 2, which is really annoying for me. So now we've actually got 4, but I'll probably only actually end up using these 2 here. So we've got a little bit of a gap for the GPU fans. The only other thing I did notice, it is super thin. Like, you're not getting your money. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, probably the Amazon £20 case, which I'm using at the moment, is probably built a lot better. However, this is tiny. Look at this, and I do like the way it looks. A bit like it's got that apple cheese grater feel to it, which I think is quite cool. Only other thing I did notice, it has got no USB Type 3s. It's only got USB Type 2s. But on the other cases on the side, so when it goes next to my other PC, there's literally, you can't press nothing, connect nothing. So this has got it all in the front, which I like. And you can fit 2 120-inch fans at the front, a 120-inch fan on the side, and I think this is a 60cm fan at the back. Obviously that's your motherboard slot, that's your PSU slot at the top. But yeah, it should be really compact, but I like it. It's just for the daily build. I was actually thinking it'd be quite cool to strip it down and spray it silver. It could be like a little Mac mini tower thing. On first inspection, it's really cheap. One bit here was actually bent, and I actually had to try and pull it back, which I will probably do later. But as you can see, it's bent, obviously from shipping, so it obviously been nicked by sake. But other than that, it was 30 quid, so it's not too bad. But for the size, it's a winner. It's a straight winner. Look how small that is. All my other cases were like this, basically similar size, but laid down flat like that, which you could probably do. You can probably actually mount this for that. No, you can't. It's got that. But yeah. So let's crack on. But on first inspection, it's a wrap. So I'm gonna move into my actual house and use my table because, yeah. But anyway, some nice little B-roll shots of the actual case. Okay, so guys, as you can see, it's literally the same height, right? Like this is a lot wider than this. You see that? It literally is like, it literally comes up to there. So we cut off quite a little bit of size. But, looking at it, yeah, it's thinner as well. So, I'll show you, protect the table before I get told off. So look, that's obviously got all the bits in it. But it is a little bit thinner as well. So, let's build this baby! So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's something a little bit different. I am thinking about building another second YouTube just for PC parts because I've really got into it. I actually studied computer science for 4 years, so just to let you know that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment. I'm JK Flash. I'm out of here and I'll see you soon. Bye!